Hello, I'm Erin.
Hi, I'm Tabby.
Nail art. I didn't expect nail art.
That goes okay, because I have one painted hand. Jim wouldn't paint the other one for me.
I'm excited.
Tiny.
Love tiny scissors.
Ooh.
Okay, pick out your washi tape and I'll read it. Okay, place a piece of washi tape directly on one of your fingernails so it hangs off the sides. Use the scissors to cut the tape off the nail. Trace it with the pencil, essentially is what it says. Pull the tape off your nail.
Trace your nail on the tape with the pencil? What?
No. So, I didn't read the actual description. Okay. With the pencil, draw along the sides of the bottom of your nail bed following the shape of your nail. Cut the tape off your nail. So, like, trace around it with the pencil so then it's easier to cut it off.
Huh.
Because it indents it, I'm assuming.
Oh, so it's like partially scoring it.
Yeah. Once your nails are covered with the washi tape, apply 2 coats of nail polish, allowing the first coat to dry for about 1 minute before applying the second. So then you're going to trace it with the pencil. I pictured like a washi tape card, like making a greeting card, and I pictured even like watercolors, and you peel off the washi tape. Did not picture nails.
I did not picture a manicure.
Now everyone's going to know my hands are shaky.
All right, use the scissors. With the pencil, draw along the sides and the bottom of your nail bed following the shape of your nail. You went with Beetlejuice.
Duh.
Oh.
So I've completed one completely. You haven't done that yet. We'll win this competition.
This is not a this is art. This is not a competition.
Everything's competition.
Well, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. So, I think it looks pretty good.
It looks as good as the one
feels
I've
secure.
bought.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like the ones I've bought.
I would do it again.
I will be trying it again. With my up-teen 200 washi tapes at home, I better be trying it again. Do something with those things. So this is Fun with Washi Tape. It's 35 ways to instantly refresh your home accessories and packaged with washi tape. You can check it out here at the library.